When you hear a chord, primarily it's 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named after a person. When you double the frequencies, 440 hertz, you get 880. So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal. And the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirrored projection, some sort of mirrored manifestation of projection, or some sort of imagination of some degree. Then you have the
on an infinitesimal level. Now when we get into areas like animism, right, which sort of implements that I didn't have down, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective, like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Looking cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary because it's considered the principal and historical authority on language, preceding back to Anglo-Saxon time and onwards. There's different forms of evidence. We have theoretical, we have empirical.
Let's talk about solipsism. Solipsism is one of those philosophical ideology that is predicated around the idea of only the